Here is a number that should scare you. 95% of people in the world will never become truly wealthy. Not because they are not smart enough, not because they were born in the wrong family, and not because they were born in the wrong family, and not because they did not work hard enough, but because of something far more dangerous, something sitting right inside their own minds that nobody ever warned them about. Today I'm going to tell you the honest truth about why most people never get rich, and exactly what the other 5% do differently. This is the video I wish someone had shown me years ago. Stay until the end because the last reason is the one that silently destroys more financial futures than anything else. Welcome back to Sunny Aurum, where your money finally makes sense. If you are new here, we break down complex money topics into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a golden opportunity. Now let us get into the honest truth. The very first reason 95% of people never get rich is because they spend their entire lives trading time for money and never figure out how to make money work for them instead. Here's how it works for most people. You wake up, go to work, trade 8 hours of your life for a paycheck, come home, sleep, and repeat every single day for 40 years. And at the end of those 40 years, most people retire with barely enough to survive because the moment they stop working, the money stops coming. The wealthy think completely differently. They understand one fundamental truth. Your time is limited, but money can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year without ever getting tired. They build assets, things that make money while they sleep. Investments, businesses, real estate, royalties, dividend stocks. These are called income-producing assets, and building them is the single biggest difference between the 5% and the 95%. Here is a simple way to think about it. If you stop working today, does money still come in? If the answer is no, you are 100% dependent on trading your time. That is the trap most people never escape. So what is the fix? Start building at least one income-producing asset alongside your job. It does not have to be big. A small investment account that grows every month is a start. A YouTube channel, a digital product, anything that can eventually make money without requiring you direct time every single hour. Start small. Start now. But start. The second reason is something most people will never admit. They have a deeply broken relationship with money that was programmed into them since childhood. Think about the phrases you heard growing up. Money does not grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. We cannot afford that. Money is the root of all evil. These phrases sound harmless, but they plant a seed deep in your subconscious that money is bad, hard to get, and not meant for people like you. And here's the dangerous part. You grow up and those beliefs control every financial decision you make. Without you even realizing it, you subconsciously avoid opportunities to earn more. You feel guilty spending money on investments. You believe that being rich is for other people, not you. The wealthy have a completely different money mindset. They believe money is a tool that can buy freedom, create opportunities, help their families, and make a difference in the world. The fix here is a daily practice. Start paying attention to the negative things you say and think about money. Replace them consciously with positive ones. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Psychology of Money. Surround yourself with people who talk about building wealth, not just complaining about being broke. Your mindset is the foundation everything else is built on. This is the one that hurts to hear, but it is the truth. Most people spend money they do not have, on things they do not need, to impress people they do not even like. Social media has made this 10 times worse. Every day people see influencers with luxury cars, designer outfits, and 5-star vacations, and they feel pressure to match that image, so they buy things on credit. They lease cars they cannot afford. They book holidays that go on credit cards. And here's the cruel irony. Most of those influencers are not actually rich. They are performing wealth for the camera, while quietly drowning in debt behind the scenes. True wealth is not what you show. True wealth is what you own minus what you owe. Every time you are about to make a purchase, ask yourself one question. Am I buying this because I genuinely need it or value it, or am I buying it to impress someone else? That one question alone will save you thousands of dollars every single year. The fourth reason 95% of people never get rich is shockingly simple. They never took the time to understand how money actually works. Most people know how to earn money, but they have no idea how to keep it, grow it, or protect it. They do not understand compound interest. They do not know the difference between an asset and a liability. They have never heard of an index fund. They do not understand inflation and how it silently eats the value of their savings every single year. Knowledge is the currency of the wealthy. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. The most successful people in the world are obsessed with learning, especially about money. Commit to becoming financially literate. Learn one new money concept every single week. The people who understand money make it. The people who do not work for the people who do. And here is the final reason, the one that silently destroys more financial futures than almost anything else. Most people are waiting for the right time to start investing, waiting until they earn more money, waiting until their debt is cleared, waiting for the perfect moment to start building wealth. And that perfect moment never comes. Life never slows down. There will always be another bill, another emergency, another reason to wait just a little bit longer. Meanwhile, time, your most valuable financial asset, keeps passing. Here is the truth about the perfect moment to start building wealth. It was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Not next month, not next year, right now. The 5% who get rich are not smarter than you. They are not luckier than you. They simply started, they took imperfect action with imperfect information at an imperfect time, and they figured it out along the way. Do not let the search for the perfect moment rob you of the results that consistent action would have given you years from now. Start with whatever you have. Start with $50. Start with whatever you have. Start with one book. Start with one investment. Just start. So there you have it, the honest truth about why 95% of people will never get rich. Reason 1. Trading time for money forever. Reason 2. A poor mindset about money. Reason 3. Prioritizing looking rich over being rich over being rich. Reason 4. Never learning how money works. And reason 5. Waiting for a perfect moment that never comes. Your action step today is this. Pick one thing from this video that hit you hardest. One belief to change. One habit to start. One book to order. One investment to make. Just one thing. Do it today, not tomorrow. Today. If this video added value to your life, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sunny Aurum for a new video every single week. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 reasons resonated with you the most? I read every single one. Stay golden.